Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A big thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. In today's videos, I'm going to be showing you how you can use eyeliners like a pro. Yes, I said like a pro. If you're already following me on Instagram, you already know that I'm a big fan of eyeliners and I love to use them every single time, and I've gotten so many questions. Hence, I decided to do this video to show you how you can also achieve this look. Firstly, I need to make it clear that you do not need to go to some big makeup store to get some really expensive eyeliner just because you want to have the perfect look. You can use just any simple regular eyeliner like I'm going to be showing in this video to achieve a very perfect look, so long as you follow my very easy and simple steps. So I start off by taking a sizable amount of my liquid eyeliner and dapping off the rest in the bottle before applying on my skin. Why? Because I don't want it to get too much so it doesn't have to drip on my skin or stain. And then I just focus on making my sharp edge, which is like my signature style, just before I proceed to the rest of my eyelid. And so I try to get the shape from the end before going to the front, and then still drawing the same shape to cover up, and then I could now fill up the middle of my crease with my eyeliner. Some people would rather use maybe the eyebrow filler or something, but I always like to use my liquid eyeliner to just achieve this. One of the reasons I like to use a liquid eyeliner is because most of the time it's waterproof. It doesn't get to drip off because you know water touched it or you got on that rain or something. You don't have to see, it doesn't smear on your skin, so that's why I like this one. So yes, I've achieved the first look. It doesn't take so much time, it's pretty simple, and you can see the shape and the look that I got. So I will also be doing a different type of eyeliner on the other side. I like to consider this eyeliner type a dramatic one. I don't know what other people call it, but I like to call it dramatic because it just has that cat eye shape that it gives to you. You know, it just goes down and goes back up towards the end of your eye. So yeah, I like to refer to this one as dramatic. So I will be showing you how to draw another type, and this one is rather straight than curvy. Just like the picture you see here, I refer to this type as the Diva Queen. So I start off the very same way. I draw a straight line first, but I kind of extend it to the end and make sure it's long enough to be visible when I close my eyes. And then I try to just go up. And remember, I'm not feeling it until I've gotten the shape I want. So I've gotten the shape I want, and now I try to fill all the space with the liner. If you don't like to have it this long, you can make it shorter, but I always like mine to be long and visible. So yes, I try to do it. And I put my eyes closed while doing this because I want to achieve a very straight line. I don't want it to have any curve like the other side. I just want it to be very straight. So I take my time to make sure that I feel every single part. So you can see the difference between this side and the other side. These eyeliners definitely remind me of two of my favorite artists, Nicki Minaj and Ariana Grande. The one on the right side of my face does look like Nicki Minaj, and the one on the left side of my face definitely looks like Ariana Grande. Feel free to ask me any question at all in the comment section below, and I'll be getting back to you. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and turn on post notification. Also do follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.